we've got some beautiful beets done up here. You're making a sauce, and then we're going to keep.
That's the hot sauce.
Oh, that's the hot sauce.
Yeah.
How hot?
Not too hot.
Not too hot. Oh, one says not too hot and one says hot. So there you go. The judges will have to decide. Eight Scotch bonnet peppers. Yeah, I think that's going to be hot too. But that's okay. We need that. We need that heat when we're Now, Liaison College, you guys are also doing hot. And you know, this is the print is very small here, so is this maple and mustard glazed oca and puffed wild rice crusted Atlantic cod. Holy mackerel. That sounds delicious.
Not mackerel cod.
Sorry, yes, holy cod, not holy mackerel.
Next year.
Very good. Next year. Yeah, good one. Paying attention, I like that. Yes, these guys were instructed to cook with Canadian ingredients. Centennial College is doing a pan-seared duck with honey glazed pearl onions, sous vide vegetables, and a squash puree. Oh, that's delicious. Are those chanterelle mushrooms I've seen? They are indeed chanterelles. $1,000 worth of chanterelles.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
And last but not least, sirloin down at the end. What do we got cooking here? Wow, gotta get my glasses on. Cast iron seared Hudson River Arctic char with smoked maple birch glaze on heritage grains of noble prairie barley, spelt, and wild rice. You know, I understand that a lot of the lentils and chickpeas that are sold around the world are coming from Canada, coming from our birds. That's correct. I think a lot of Canadians were not aware of that. So I'm delighted to see that you're cooking with it.
Thank you.
And how's it going?
Good.
It's going well. That's a good answer. Yes. And does anybody know what our time is? What's the time now?
10 minutes. It's about 10 minutes.
What, hello?
It's about 10 minutes.
No, I think they got 20 minutes. That's fine. Well, I don't know what the first 10 minutes.
According to my battery here.
17 minutes left.
17. So the first 3 minutes of prep didn't count.
I'm okay, it's okay. Come on, please.
17 minutes left. 17 minutes left.
actually, one of the things I love about this is the students get together in their pads, and they actually just got blue sky, right? Like, what are we gonna do? How are we gonna do this? What do we have? What do we have access to? And then they start working with their coaches, and they get really into it. And I was telling you, they start doing their research. And where are we going? This is Temple Kitchen. They just get really excited. So that's what our industry is, right?
Yeah, that's right. It's all about the hospitality.
Totally.
That's very exciting. Well, thanks for being back this year. We really appreciate it.
You're welcome.
We're at the 15-minute mark. Judges, we're at the 15-minute mark.
5-5-5, guys. 5-5-5.
15 minutes left.
15 minutes. All right.
Yeah, it's every Saturday and Sunday brunch. I think this is great training for these young cooks because this is really what it's like when you're out in the trenches and you've got to cook. Whoa, you're dropping stuff all over the place. That happens to me, doesn't it?
Yes, you have to, there's no, you can read as many books as you want.
I have to do it right away.
At the end of the day, we'll keep you.
You're so right about that, Dennis, and I think that piece of the experience is without a doubt the most valuable.
What do you have here?
Canola dust.
Canola dust. Wow.
And it is so good.
Canola dust. We're trying it out, and it's
Yeah. Sweet. It melts in your mouth, but it's sweet.
Who's cooking with canola dust?
Liaison.
Yeah. It's got a really interesting
Isn't it?
after finish.
Yeah, right. I have never had that. Is
I've
one
never
thing
had that
I've never
before.
had.
It's really good. I was totally intrigued when I saw that in the recipe, and now to see it actually being executed, it's really good.
Now, how was it made? What do we know that? Just ask the kids, do we?
Maltodextrin.
Maltodextrin. Now I see we got something on a flat top here. Looks like a pancake or griddle or
It's my snack.
not sure which team that's for thistle down. These guys are making
Already over here.
Yeah. I'm so impressed.
Snack.
I'll tell you what, when I was in high school, I was playing in a band as a musician and was nervous to get up on stage to play for the 10 friends of mine that showed up because nobody else would show up, so it was only my friends, and I was nervous of that. So kudos to these guys for coming out and stepping up.
Tell that story.
Yeah.
That's a good story.
It is, shout out to these guys for being in high school because when I was in high school, I was a musician, I was in a band, and all I was going to do was be a guitar player, but I was terrified to play in front of other people. So my friends would show up and we'd play in front of them, that would be it. And I can't even imagine the pressure that would go through your mind in this scenario. So big kudos, big shout out, because I know it takes a lot to step up when you're young, but I also think that these kind of scenarios is what helps you set you up for success later down the road. In these high pressure situations, you realize that, at the end of the day, I had a great time, it was fun, I learned a lot, and I got to cook really great food for people. It's so much win-win once you throw yourself in the fire, as it were,
Well, a lot of these kids came here tonight and they did not know they were cooking in an open kitchen. So it wasn't like they were prepared for that. That sort of got thrown at them at the last minute. So that's really going to unhinge you a little bit, I would think.
Yeah, anything like that I think is good and it grows you and stretches you. I was in Nairobi last year cooking, and they said, hey, will you come and cook? I said, 100%. They said, you have no help. And I was like, okay, well, maybe we'll figure that out. They said, well, we have 800 people you're going to cook for. And I said, well, I at least need a little bit of help. They said, so I had 2 little helpers, they helped me, and then 2 days before they said, oh, just so you know, we upped the number because we knew you were coming. And I was like, oh, you upped the number, what did you up it to? Well, we only added 600 people.
What did you make?
So we made traditional Swahili rice and beans.